Mathang tha November ki tarik mapan degi taramathoi Faoba Muay Thai Federation of India na Sinduna Uttarakhand Parade Ground DEHRADUN da PANGTHOKKADABA 5th Muay Thai Amateur National Championship 2025 Senior, Junior and Sub-Junior Male and Female da SARUK YAGADABA Manipur Amateur Muay Thai Association gi Official Sing AMADI SANAROI Sing KHANKHARE Khalaba Official Sing Adudi MD Rafi Team Manager U Santikumar Singh Team Coach MD Wahidur Rahman Ladies Team Manager Aduga Official Oina MD Mujibur Rahman U Assessing AMADI Muhammad Yunus Khani Haina Manipur Amateur Muay Thai Association Mamta Manipur General Secretary MD Rafina Thadorakpa Chiralaman Haidi Makhatana Budding Athlete S 7 to 8 boys ta Usam Devakan Singh Sub Junior age 10 to 11 years ta Muhammad Yusuf Yungkhaiban Abdul Mugani Amadi MD Saad Hussaini Junior boys age 12 to 13 years Kumukcham Pamhaiba Mangsidam Tarun Sana Singh Basai Muhammad Junaid Sapam Pitamite Amadi Tingvaizam Alvi Singni Junior boy age 14 to 15 years ta Likmabam Ronaldo Junior boys age 16 to 17 da Yengkhom Ravikanta Mitei Sairem Asali Meitei Yungkhaibam Khurshid Nomaitem Bablu Singh Amadi MK Silfani Senior boxer ANB male S above 18 to 40 years ta Muhammad Ahmad Thangzam Pari Meitei Mark Machu Jimik Soraisam Utam Singh Mangal Sana Khomdram Amadi Moirangtem Nilakumar Singni Senior boxer A female S above 18 to 40 years ta Naurem Monica Devi MK Parvin Amadi Usam Malemngan Bising Khalle Haina Cherulasna Makatana Fungdorakli